Problem 5-102. Is it true that log base 3 of 2 equals log base 2 of 3? Justify your answer. So I'm going to start out here. Let's think about this. If we take log base 3 of 2, they want to know if it is equal to log base 2 of 3. Let's take each one of these out here and look at it individually. If I said log base 3 of 2, and I said that equaled, let's call it x, and then I did the same thing over here, log base 2 of 3, and I said that that equaled x. Let's think about this for a moment. If I take a 3 and I raise it to the power of x and I get 2, just putting it into from log form to exponential form, I'm going to say 3 to the power of x equals 2. Well, if we're just trying to think about what this value of x could be, think about this for a second. If I said 3 to the power of 0, that should equal 1. And I also know that 3 to the power of 1 should equal 3. So in order to end up equaling 2, my value of x has got to be between 0 and 1. So right now we know that x is between 0 and 1. Let's just do it like this. We know that x is less than 1, but it's greater than 0. So over here, let's do the same thing. Let's put this one into exponential form for a logarithm here. We're going to say 2 to the power of x should equal 3. Well now, if I took this and thought about it in the same respect that I did over here, I know that 2 to the power of 0 equals 1. I know that 2 to the first power equals 2. So if I wanted to equal 3, then I know that my value of x has got to be more than 1, right? We're going to say x has got to be greater than 1 in order for our value to increase. So overall, what does this mean? Well, it means that the value of this log here, log base 2 of 3, has to be greater than 1. Over here, this log base 3 of 2, we saw there that it has to be between 0 and 1, so basically it's got to be less than 1. So if you ask me, if this one's greater than 1 and this one's less than 1, are they equal? No, they're not. So the statement is false. I hope that that helps. You can finish your statement, whatever you want to write down there. Hopefully that makes sense there. This one is greater than 1. This one has a value that is less than 1. This is problem 5-102. If you have questions, I hope this helped out. But if not, make sure you ask your teacher or ask somebody that may know a little bit something about logarithms when you get to class. Have a good evening.